Reverse psychology is a persuasive technique that involves getting someone to engage in the desired action by suggesting the opposite. Playing mind games isn't the most ideal method when you're considering getting a girl to like you, as it can come across as manipulative or desperate if not handled properly. However, there are some effective reverse psychology tips and tricks to harmlessly make a girl like you. 1. Give them space. Give the girl you're interested in or pursuing space. That way you'll both miss each other and have more to share when you next see or speak to each other. This works provided that the other person shows interest in you, not when the girl has made it clear that she doesn't see you in that way. 2. Stop being submissive. Girls love it when the guy who is approaching them or vice versa is independent, instead of being too tame and accommodating. Don't just settle and sit around for plans to be made by them. Be bold and assertive by organizing your own plans and fitting them into your schedule. 3. Complain for compliments. We're all familiar with this trick. If you want to receive a compliment about your hair or outfit, or want to know how she truly feels about you, then just complain about it. She will most likely disagree and assure you that you look fine, and even throw in a couple of other compliments to convince you otherwise. The trick is to find the right balance in doing so. It shouldn't come across as being too needy or desperate. 4. Play nice, even when they're not. In the midst of a conversation, if they're being unreasonable or bickering about someone or something, be the bigger person and play nice, especially when they're being unreasonably cruel, as they'll soon come to their senses and realize they were being irrational in comparison to your cool self. 5. Challenge them. This trick works like a charm. All you need to do is simply state that you don't believe they're capable of delivering whatever you've challenged them to do. For example, if you say that you don't think they can arrive on time for your next date, they're more likely to want to prove you wrong and end up doing exactly what you want. Just make bets and challenges to spice things up. 6. Be unpredictable. People typically favor more spontaneous, fun times in relationships. Predictability is boring, so if you're looking to have someone be more intrigued and interested in you, the trick here is to be bold and unpredictable. Organize fun outings. Look for more quirky activities to do and be daring. And remember, playing too hard to get can backfire, as the other person may sense that you're not interested and may withdraw. The trick is to find the right balance. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to PSYCHSIDE for more interesting psychological tips.